This story carries a valuable lesson. Once, a man found himself drowning in a river, and a boat came to his rescue. The boatman asked, "Do you need help?" The man replied, "No, God will save me." And the boatman left. Later, another boat came. The man refused help again, believing that God would save him. Sadly, he eventually drowned. In heaven, he asked God why he wasn't saved. God responded, "I sent you 2 boats. You didn't use them." The moral is that opportunities may not come twice, and it's crucial to make the most of them to move forward in life.